Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can clear your browsing history, not only the cached files and cookies and site data, but the entire browsing history in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So launch the Zen browser in the first step on your device, and there are two ways how you can do this, guys. First option, you do this through your browser settings. To navigate to the browser settings, what you want to do is click into these three dots in the top left here of that left sidebar, select settings. Here in your browser settings, navigate to privacy or privacy, depending on your pronunciation, and security here. And in browsing browser settings, navigate to browsing data, click into clear browsing data, and in that window, what you want to do is choose the elements or parts of your browsing history you would like to remove, like site settings, cached files and pages, cookies, and so on and so forth, your download history browsing. Click into these checkboxes here to select it. Select the time range here at the top, like everything or last hour. Confirm by clicking into this button or enter option number 2. If you don't want to do this via the browser settings, click into these three dots on the left sidebar, click into history, and then choose clear recent history, and that is going to redirect you to the same window I just showed you. You can also click into manage history, or use a shortcut Ctrl-Shift-H, and then you would see a detailed overview of, for example, a list of websites you have visited since the last clearing browser clearing session or history session, so that you may right click into it and delete the given page from your browsing history here. So that's one way. Another way, you can also click into organize here and select delete or press delete on your keyboard. So these are actually the 4 ways how you can do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.